eyeshadow is still on, the lashes are still on. Nikupe kama uko na njaa unasema. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have missed you a lot and I have been busy, man. So I just came back home and yeah, I at times, most of the time, okay, just busy. When I'm not busy, I feel like I'm sick because of the tonsils are really, oh, they're really disturbing me because I already did syringes and they never went away. I have used medicine like many times and I have even gone for a specialist, but I feel like they're not working. But I thank God I'm alive. I'll be going to hospital again tomorrow just to, yeah, I had called the doctor and told him the thing. I'm just feeling like it's not, the medicines are not working, but yeah, I pray that all will be well. So guys, if you're new here, please feel at home and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to those who have subscribed, thank you very much. And thank you very much for clicking as well. So I am in the house and I'm at the doorstep. So I am going to show you how my house looks like right now. This is how my house looks like. I just came in and this is my bag that I had carried stuffs in it, and this is how my house looks like. So these are the phone covers. I forgot here. These are the boxes that I removed stuffs, and these are the hair, human hair. I also sell human hair. So I had bought these ones. Yeah, I had bought these ones. I've not yet even used them, and I really want time to have them in. So the paintings there and others are there. Like the house is just in a mess. So yeah, the shoes and my handbags. Oh, the house is in a mess. And this is, yeah, the hair still that I'm selling as well. And here another stock. And yesterday I was really trying to do some DIY, honestly, but I don't know, I was feeling my body, I don't know how. So I was trying this because I also postponed for my client. I told her I can't go, and I started doing this. As you can see, I was recording, but yo, I don't know. And here come my bedroom, yo. Hey. Yeah, these are the medicines I've been taking, and I hope I'll be well. Yeah, so let's go to the kitchen. Yeah, these are the materials that I was using. Guys, just see. And let's go to the kitchen. I hope the kitchen is fine, but whoa, for who? This is how my kitchen looks like. And the dishes over there. Yo, man, I am trying. So guys, I just came in and I want to like try to arrange the house, and whoa, I'm feeling quite better, but yeah, I'll be going to hospital tomorrow. So I'll just try to arrange the sitting room and then go to the kitchen. Guys who asked for DIY, honestly, I've been doing the DIY I had shown you earlier, and I will, if after I'm done, I'll just post the video because I'm really having some crazy time. So I hope you'll be patient with me and you'll hold on. And guys, I love you so much and I really miss you. Yeah, so that's why I have been just up and down, and my body has not been too well, but I thank God I'm just alive and kicking, and I'll be healthy very soon. Just arrange these phone covers, and the phone covers that I'm selling are for iPhones. It's from iPhone 6 to iPhone X Pro Max. They're designer iPhone covers. So even if you're in Tanzania, I ship to Tanzania. So yeah, at 1,300 only. So I'll just return them back. Doing well. I am, yeah, just keeping on and trying to look for some money. wherever I can. So that's why I've been just busy and everything, yeah. So soon, as I told you, we'll be having a giveaway. So just stay tuned and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Guys, comment down there. Tell me if you're living alone. At times your house gets to a mess to this extent, or mine is kind of crazy, or mine is just abnormal. But I'll just clean it up and then I can just dust it another day, or I can just, if I get the energy to do so right now, I just keep on moving on it, not by it. Yeah, I think. Yeah, so like I had actually decided today that I want to rest and I'm staying at home because I've honestly been working really hard, like doing deliveries and all that. So today I was like, I'll be staying at home and then at least I go out, treat myself and something like that. Then boom, all of a sudden orders pop. So I'm like, should I go out or should I just send the orders? And because we all need money, I just decided I'm going for the orders. Yeah, so I'm going to drop orders again here. Yeah, and yo, yeah, I'm leaving the house now. At least it's clean now. I got some lady just from YouTube as well. She lost her job and everything, so she's called Melody. She came yesterday and cleaned up. I just have to arrange around, and now I'm going to show you how it looks. And I think we'll spend the day together. I see how I'm spending my weekend. Yeah, how I'm spending my weekend. And yeah, I'm trying like to get a life, not just working. I'll see if I finish early, at least I'll go treat myself somewhere. So yeah, if you're wondering, hair, if you need this hair, Zack Daniel collection. If you want this eyeshadow, I already talked about my eyeshadow palette, so I mixed these shades. And the lashes are from Zack Daniel collection as well. Yeah, the magnetic eyelashes. Hey, yeah, so if you need them, just let me know and I will sort you out. Even the painting over there, it is from Zack Daniel collection. Now, if you compare with the other day that I was not really feeling well, I'm still not feeling well, but at least, yeah, so this is how it looks. And ta-da! Hair everywhere. Wow. And the kitchen there. And then we have the bedroom here. I've not yet arranged things. Need phone covers like this one. I also have them for iPhones and Samsungs. So the eyelashes are almost done. Out of 100 pieces, I'm only remaining with these few here. The eyeshadows are still there, and the phone covers are there, and the wig storage bags are also there. So I just came into Kiambu from town. I have come to deliver phone cover to a customer, and I had not come this place before, so I'm just looking around and it's a busy place. So after I'm done, I'm heading to town to send the parcel to Mombasa again to my customer, and then here I'm going to the bus station or whatever, the stage, Embasava. So yeah, I'm feeling hungry at the same time. I'm tired, but we hold on regardless. We keep moving. So I am trying to have some maize, yet my braces or my brackets are moving out. But yeah, I'll just try. Wow, nimetumana mahindi na sina meno. Kuna moja. Inakataa. Moja. Nikule. Sitaki nikule mahindi. Nimefanya nini? Unataka niachwe? Ai, triki sana. Nikupe. Kama uko na njaa unasema. Wewe enda church kesho. Bana. Unapanga tu get to be. Mimi mgeni. Ona John meenda tupande Embasava lini? So there's been a lot of traffic and I've been tensing, but it's now started to move. So I have a meeting at 9 and it's almost 8:30. But now I am just going to get home and just freshen up and then boom, head to the meeting. So I'm home already and yeah, I feel I'm at home and as you can see, I must put on earrings. This mask cannot prevent me. As you can see, the makeup is still intact and the lashes are still on as well. What's just I ate maize, so as you all know. Yeah, so what's there is, yeah, the makeup is intact, everything intact. The lashes are intact, those who are asking if it will stick. Yeah, and yeah, so I want to shower, freshen up, and then I have a meeting at 9 p.m. and it's already 8:30 p.m. So I guess I'll just come back later, or I don't know. Yes, let me shower first and then we'll talk later. Bye. Bye. Bye.